Hi, my name is Jim Kuckie, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to write an article with LinkedIn. So follow me along. This is important if you're in business, you're a social influencer, or you just want to share an idea out there and connect with other like-minded people. LinkedIn is a great social media network to connect with other professionals. So by you writing content that's valuable to those people that are reading articles on LinkedIn, they may want to connect with you. So here's how we do it. Follow along. Right now, we're on the LinkedIn homepage. Right when you log in, first qualification for this is you're going to need a LinkedIn account. If you haven't created a LinkedIn account, you're going to want to watch some other videos to get you there. But if you're already on LinkedIn and you're ready to write an article and you want to get your idea out there, follow me over the next couple minutes, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to write an article about my business, and hopefully you can learn how to for your business. So the first thing we want to do is on your homepage, you're going to see this little blue hyperlink that says write an article right below start a post. Click that write in article, and that's going to open you up a whole new window to the LinkedIn publishing page where you're going to be able to make an article tailored and specific to whatever your creative mind can think of. So up at the top, you're going to see some of your formatting options here, bold, underline, italics, very, very common. But let's start with getting some attention. We're going to want to put an image on this article, and it could be branding of your company. It could be something eye-catching. In this particular article, I'm going to click right here where the plus symbol is, and we're going to add my logo to this particular article so that we can have the header branded for Ship Audit Pros. Down here, you're going to see these little buttons where you could trash it or even format that logo. Go ahead and format the logo so it looks best for you. And I would definitely recommend that you put in a credit or a caption down here. Ship Audit Pros. Automatic savings on your UPS account right now. So they know that my company is all about getting savings, and they're going to be worried about how it affects them. So we're only going to talk about UPS in this article. So what is the article? Well, let me show you how I outline my article. LinkedIn, as you see here, is very simple. We're at one page. It has the option to put in the headline, and right here you can write in your article specifically, or you can even hit this little add button to put an image, a video, slides, links, or even a little code snippet. But I would say prepare for your article so that you're not just trying to type it into this freehand. Although you have the ability up here at the top right to save this, you can look at your other drafts. You can go up here too and start another article if you want to do another article while you're still working on another one. You can even share a draft with another person. But I'm just going to share with you how I set up my articles because I publish content on more than just LinkedIn. So I use Google Docs to outline my article. So right here, you'll see I highlighted the image that I'm going to use is going to be the Ship Audit Pros logo. The video that I'm going to include, I already have the link here for it, but to show you on the screen, it's our lost and damaged claims that we've uploaded for Ship Audit Pros, brand new published video to be able to show how we've automated lost and damaged claims. But what the article is going to be around here is how to file a dispute with UPS for lost and damaged packages. And as you can see here, we have a lot of detail on the process itself, step by step. It may seem very simple, and it is very simple, but there is time involved in the submitting these damaged or lost claims. And quite honestly, sometimes the labor it takes for somebody to go through the submission and follow up with it may not even be worth it, depending on how much that package was. So what we're going to do is we're going to write an article about how to file a dispute with UPS for lost and damaged packages. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to this new draft here, and that's going to be our headline. How to file a dispute with UPS for lost and damaged packages. The great thing here is it's not rocket science. You want your headline to be something that somebody immediately understands what the article is about, and you want it to be very relevant to the content in the article to be very relevant to what that headline addresses. So people are going to look at this article and say, oh, wow, this is going to show me how to dispute with UPS lost and damaged packages. huge value add for any business owner that utilizes UPS in their fulfillment. And what we're going to do is we're going to make it extremely simple for this customer or prospect or just somebody reading your content to understand your process. In this particular article, I'm just going to copy and paste right here the exact process. And we're going to put that over into our article. So right here, just a simple copy and paste. And you can see here it's going to format how I had it over there in the Google Docs. If you want to take like step 1 here, we're going to bold that. We're going to go down to step 2. We're going to format this the way that it was pasted into LinkedIn so that it can be more eye-catching. And you also want to just make sure that the readability of it is great. It flows. It really addresses what that headline is. And then more importantly, how are you adding value to the reader of this article? So you want to make sure that you're clear and concise in your direction if it is an informative article. And you want to not leave out some of the little details that somebody might come across to really ensure that this article provides great value for any reader that is interested in how to dispute those claims with UPS when it comes to lost and damaged packages. So you're going to see here, I got all of this formatted in the way that I want to. I got some things bolded. I might go up there and change some of the spacing, but for video's sake, I'm not going to do that with you just yet. Because what I want to show you right now is I want to go to this box with the plus mark and show you how to add in a video. I showed you in my outline. I'm going to go to the video here, and it's going to ask you to put a link for your video. So you're going to make sure that your video is already hosted on some sort of video website. Vimeo, YouTube, Tumblr. There's a lot of different video hosting websites out there that allow you to upload your content for free. We did that through YouTube. So what we'll do is we'll go back to this page. You'll see in my outline, I already have the link ready. So I'm going to copy that link, copy the link address, go back to my article, and I'm going to drop that bad boy right in there, paste. Go ahead and hit the enter key or return. And make sure that it's your video that you want in there for your article readers to see. You can even hit the play button and see exactly how that's going to show up. So as you can see here, this lost and damaged claims process, we're providing an automated solution for those vendors that are being honest with themselves and really just understanding that this step-by-step process, whether they're informed or not, is not being executed 98% of the time on lost and damaged packages. Most of the time, if you're a bigger business, you're refunding these customers to get them taken care of and moving on to the next customer to take care of. The money you would employ somebody to go through and do all of this would be wasted labor because you're going to spend more labor in that time it takes to process all of this than the funds you're going to recover from the disputes that get approved. So there hasn't been a solution for this, at least at a bigger scale. Until now, Ship Audit Pros has developed an automated platform, a platform that automates the solution for this problem. And that's what this video right here is all about. So we want to give our customers some great information. We're not going to come out of here and just tell them, hey, they should do business with us. But at the bottom of this, we're going to put in here just a little disclaimer or a little snippet for them to get more information about us, right? If they read this article all the way through, you know they are somebody that could probably benefit from some automated solution to this problem. And here's how we want them to get in touch with us. First, you want to put in there maybe your website, www.shipauditpros.com. That doesn't make anybody want to click that website. And who says they even click to watch the video? So, we're going to even go before that, after this, right? Are you having to manually do the described process above? Does your company experience a loss in profit when lost and damaged packages occur. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you need ship audit pros. The video below will show you exactly how we have solved this. Spell check built in there, which is great. Solve this problem for your company. This comes at no cost to the company when you sign up today. Maybe not free is the right word for these people, but when you sign up today for your auditing, email service at shipauditpros.com. So I'm sorry I had to think there. I want to be very focused on what we put in this article because thousands upon millions of people could potentially see your article and engage with it. It could change your business. It could change the way people view your personal brand. It could change the ideas you're trying to push out to these people. And you want to be, again, very clear and concise with what you want these people to do when reading this article, if your intention is to be able to provide a solution like how we have here. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it just like that. You know, we're going to look and see if there's anything that we need to change grammatically. There are going to be spacing issues. And you know what, to be quite honest with you, a lot of what I was able to do was able to be done on Google Sheets. So you can see there I just fixed one of the errors that I had, but I believe right now we are good to go. So up here I can hit the little publish button, and then it says tell your network what your article is about to use hashtags to help others find it. So this is actually one of the most important things you want to do for your articles is put in hashtags for your people that are in your community or want to be in your community can find you, searchable. So we're going to put in there parcel. That's what this has to do with. Shipping. We're going to put in there UPS. Right? Shipping audit is a good one there. Logistics is a good one there. Supply chain is a good one. Global logistics. There we go. Ship. Transportation. Right? You see what I'm doing here. A lot of this too can also be done in a Google Sheet, so you can pre-plan your article. And once you have the appropriate amount of hashtags in there, you want to go in there and publish. Simple as that. The more hashtags, the better. And the more people that can engage with that article, the bigger you grow your network. And if you're on LinkedIn, that is very important to grow your network of professionals, whether you're trying to be an influencer, whether you're trying to push ideas out to the marketplace, whether you're in sales, growing a company, recruiting a team, whatever it is that your mission is, content writing and article writing should be a part of it. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope this walks you through exactly how to write an article from start to finish. I would love some feedback, comments, and would love to connect to you personally on LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you how to find me on LinkedIn. Just type in my name, Jim Kuckie. And you're going to see me pop up. You see my beautiful bright bald head shining right there. And I would love to connect with you. Share your feedback and thoughts. And thanks for watching this video.